Well, I was born and raised in a northern community in Canada, in Ontario, Sudbury, Ontario. And at that particular time, it was the nickel capital of the world. My grandparents, etc., came there because of the mines and because of the logging industry, actually. And that's how we ended up in northern Ontario. So I spent some years working underground as a hard rock miner, learned the skills of mining and the environment of mining, and was able later in life to carry that through into what I do today. Yes, it was hard work. It was, you had to be physically strong, and you had to be able to handle those working conditions. But at the end of the day, miners are miners. They go to work with the same passion. They go to work to build homes for their family, put food on the table. That doesn't change anywhere you go. Their heart is in the mining business. People stay in the mining business once they're in it. They don't change very often. Miners become miners no matter where you are in the world. Hi, I'm Kent Armstrong, Global Business Development Manager, Segment Mining. I would say dating back to 2006, having to participate, I should say, or be involved closely with the Sago mine disaster in West Virginia. Having been close to that, seeing the circumstances that occurred there, being involved with the families to a certain degree, meeting with them and seeing them, it was a very heart-wrenching, very difficult situation to work in. The motivation that drives me is that I think that as a person and working for a company, that we can make a difference in health and safety to the mining industry in the world. With our technology, with our ability to develop products that meet the demands of today's mining market, I think we can make a difference. We can make sure that miners get home safely, and that's what the big driving force is. We can make a difference. Well, what I'm seeing over the past number of years is that the industry has taken the easy product out of the ground. Now we have to mine deeper, we have to mine farther. We're mining in more remote locations around the world. So the way we do business, the way the companies have to do business, the environmental demands, the health and safety demands around the world are changing very quickly. And we have to be able to adapt to that environment. When I was nominated as Holmes Mine Rescue Man of the Year in the United States in 2016, a Canadian to receive that award in the U.S. mining industry was a pretty big honor for me, and I think a big honor for Dräger also. When you go and travel around the world and people know you and call you the Dräger man or the Dräger person or Dräger woman, that's a pretty big honor, and that should be reflect out if people understood that what our name is in the industry and how well we're respected for our capabilities and our past involvement in mining and mine emergencies is a pretty special thing.